baby, here we go. Oh no, oh no.
Okay guys, this is going to be the weirdest fitting video because obviously these things just stick on the bars, but we have had a couple of people ask why they won't fit theirs, etc. Blah blah blah. Now these bars, as you can see here, only come on a full JCW. We don't sell replacement parts for these that go in them holes or anything. All we do is the cover that goes on. Now obviously you can see it comes, they are sided, so obviously they will only fit one side and it's pretty straightforward. So yeah, that one doesn't fit that side, so we'll go with the other one. You can see, just slots on perfectly there. Double-sided tape on the back. Again, what we do with this, take it off and heat it up with an hairdryer just to get the adhesion on this, because obviously when it's cold, it's not as stick as it should be. You can just start off, you can see they've got a plastic film on to keep them all nice and shiny. Obviously, I just pull that back till I've stuck it on, got it in place. And then obviously once this is all adhered, then pull that off afterwards, so we'll do that now. Okay guys, so I've cleaned this with an alcohol wipe, as you can see. It's all nice and clean because obviously bumper gels, silicone, stuff like that do stop this from adhering. Also I'm just going to warm that pipe, it's dead cold here today, so. And again, where the 3M tape is down there, switch that off. Going to peel this tape. Like I say, once you've peeled that off there, just give them a quick run over with the hairdryer to warm it up. That now is super sticky, that, so it's just a case of got the tape off so I can pull it after. It's just a case of getting that in there nice and lined up, pushing far back as you can there before pushing down on the tops to get it to stick. You can see there, it's just, and then obviously peel off the tape and that's it.